Looking for gym equipment manufacturers in China? You'll find thousands of options online. But how do you know which ones are reliable? We've seen clients waste months contacting factories that can't meet their standards. The real challenge isn't finding suppliers, it's finding good ones. China produces about 70% of the world's gym equipment. Why?
First, manufacturing costs are 30 to 50% lower than in Western countries. Second, factories here have advanced production lines for everything from basic dumbbells to smart fitness machines. You get quality at competitive prices.
Focus your search on 3 key regions. Zhejiang Province specializes in commercial gym equipment. Guangdong has factories for home fitness products. Shandong is known for strength training equipment.
Each region has clusters of manufacturers with specific expertise. Always verify manufacturer credentials. Check their business license first, it should be valid. Look for export experience, have they shipped to your country before? Certifications matter too. For gym equipment, ISO 9001 and CE marks are good signs of quality standards. Quality checks are non-negotiable. Test equipment durability. A treadmill should handle 500 hours of continuous use. Check safety features and locking mechanisms. Inspect materials, steel thickness, welding quality, and powder coating. Poor finish means poor quality control.
We see 3 common mistakes. First, ordering without samples, always test first. Second, unclear specifications, be specific about dimensions and materials. Third, poor communication. If they don't respond quickly now, imagine during production. These mistakes cost time and money. Factory audits are essential. We visit factories to verify their actual production capacity, not just what their website says. We check working conditions and equipment maintenance. A clean, organized factory usually means better quality control. This step prevents surprises later. This is where we help.
Our team in China handles everything: finding qualified manufacturers, verifying their credentials, conducting factory audits, and managing quality inspections. You get vetted suppliers without the language barriers or travel costs.
We've sourced gym equipment for 200 plus clients. One client needed commercial treadmills for their gym chain.
They'd been quoted $1,200 per unit from other suppliers. We found a verified manufacturer and negotiated to $780, a 35% saving.
The equipment passed all quality checks and arrived on schedule.